Sorry about the saying goodbye, guys. I didn't notice my video ended. And again, that was my sister. So, I didn't keep it long. Catherine, the thing ended without me saying goodbye. I didn't even notice it. And yeah, guys, this is part 2, that's part 1. And well then, back on, we could have gone a little bit better. That's pretty quick. It only takes me almost a minute to get actually in game. And I'm just third, so I only got like 10 minutes each. As this, guys, it's actually goodbye, and I'm off to my YouTube video.
Move out.
Yeah. So saying it's supposed to here, but hey, here's some good people. Yeah, come on though, dude. Poke your freaking little head out. Holy crap. Right and back. Okay, that was a little bit close. Even for me. Freaking told you, man. Stupid Lil. Yes. That Lil tier 4 freaking damaged me.
No need to get upset in this
you.
game. Oh, and did you already mention? Nathan, did you already mention your birthday?
Oh yeah, and my birthday was June the 29th. It already passed, so.
And he is now 14, an actual teen. And next summer he's gonna be going to high school. And that's when my our older brother is gonna be going.
Oldest.
He's 16, turning 17. Not getting any more personal info.
Shit. Look at that, it's the dumbest thing I've ever seen.
It was an enemy.
No, that was an ally.
What? That sucks. Where he sees you.
Woo!
I saw you.
How did that? I ain't okay with it. I am just surprised that the actual bounced off with 60 armor. Like all the freaking round. How did I not die from
Da
that?
da da. Da 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 da. Da da.
Dude, you better not try to get yourself freaking killed. That TD, I mean that already one shot you. Son of a no, looks like we're gonna lose.
And Nathan, once we're back, maybe, just maybe, you can record with Mikey. He's another YouTuber. And we know him. I think he's,
say hello to my little friend.
he's a, YouTuber, and he also has a Minecraft account.
And
So maybe we can have him as a special guest star. The thing is ending now.
yeah. So I'm ending. Here's a goodbye.
See ya!
And have a nice summer. Or where are you?
See you again in our Minecraft video, which we're recording next.
See you next War Thunder, World of Tanks, or in Minecraft video.
See you guys!
And have a great time.